Opo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, there
Yes,
is also,
Senator
I would like to manifest that hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ho tayong lahat, yung sigaw ng taong bayan na libo-libo sa People Power Monument sa Luneta, hindi lang po ang pagnanakaw, they were also shouting, ibalik yung pera nila. And I believe the Secretary of Justice heard that, and I believe Malacanang heard that. Kaya nga po, dito po sa mga kontraktor, mga opisyal, isole ninyo ang pera ng taong bayan. Hindi po batas ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas na yan. Sometimes, you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Second round, Senator Pangilinan.
just to lower the decibels and the stress that comes with high emotions. No, si Ginoong Secretary Remulla, si Ginoong Hernandez halimbawa, sinurrender na sa ICI, no? Yung ilang vehicles at sinasabi niyang willing pa siyang mag-surrender ng Lamborghini. I mean, that's his voluntary act. If Engineer Alcantara will do the same voluntarily as a sign of goodwill, there is no law that prevents him from doing that. So therefore, we this restitution issue, while it is the law, does not prevent the government from being broader, mas malawak ang kanyang pag-implementa ng mga programa at mga batas, lalo na pag voluntary ang pagbigay ng mga malalaking, yung mga mamahaling sasakyan, voluntaring ilabas itong isurrender ang mga pondo, etc. Hindi po ba?
Opo. Sa karanasan ko kasi, pag inintay po natin yung court judgment na maging final para isurrender po ang lahat, eh baka wala, puti na mga mata natin, wala pa hong nangyayari. Kaya habang maaga po, we try to get as much para ho maibalik na po sa taong bayan yung dapat hong ibalik.
In fact, yung pagbabalik is a sign of cooperation, which the courts will eventually consider when it sentences or if it provides the exemption and the immunity. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
So that should guide itong ating mga testigong nais mag-apply sa Witness Protection Program. Kapag kayo ay nagko-cooperate, ito ay magiging senyales sa ating korte na maaring ma-grant ang exclusion and exemption and immunity. At the same time, kung may sentensya, pati iyon, mapapababa pa among others. For the record, Mr. President.
Tama po.
Thank you. Yes, Senator JV.
Just last point before the Secretary brings Engineer Alcantara. Anyway, nagkatama yung haka-haka natin that Engineer Alcantara might just be the missing link to the higher officials that the people have been longing for. No? Nabanggit niya si Yusek Bernardo, Saldico, and some other legislators. So I'm hoping that, Mr. Chair, that he will be back so that we can pursue further. And ang sabi ko lang kay Secretary Remulla, I hope that you can evaluate further kasi mukhang very vital and very yung kanya pong testimony or yung kanya affidavit is very vital doon sa ating pong pursuit of going after the big fishes finally. So I hope that he can be considered really to become one of our state witness in case. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Thank you. Kung meron ding gusto magtanong sa representative o representatives ng AMLAC, papayagan po namin kayo magtanong, again, in the order of arrival, kasi may mga gagawin din trabaho sila na kailangan ding umalis sila na maaga. So kung wala naman, papayagan na rin natin silang ma-excuse. Anyway, mag-iiwan naman sila ng representante rito. Anybody from the members of the panel? Sino? Si Alcantara babalik. No, I mean the AMLAC Executive Director, Attorney David. Kung wala po, then you may be excused along with the Secretary of the DOJ. Thank you very much, Secretary Remulla.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
You'll be back at 1 o'clock? 1:30?
1:30 to 2, sir.
Thank-
Hopefully, we can finish up as early as possible.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
1 minute suspension. Senator Bam Aquino is recognized. You have 5 minutes.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Two sets of questions po. Yung isa mamaya sa Philippine Competition Commission with regard to the possible fines sa mga contractors. But uunahin ko lang po si Bryce Hernandez. Bryce, narinig mo yung salaysay ni Engineer Alcantara. Sumasang-ayon ka ba sa pagkakaalam mo sa lahat ng sinabi ni Engineer Henry?
Opo. Actually, lahat po ng dinideliver niya, kami nga po ang nag-aayos ng mga pera nito. Kagaya po nung nasabi ko sa mga unang hearing po natin.
So para lang malinaw, lahat ng sinabi niya under affidavit, under oath, sa tingin mo, kinocorroborate mo yung kanyang sinasabi, na tama ang sinasabi niya?
Opo, Your Honor. Meron lang pong ilang, ilang tao na hindi niya nabanggit, pero hindi ko po masabi yun kasi po, baka kasuhan din po ako ng libel.
Yung mga taong hindi niya binabanggit ay mga taong nakilala mo o alam mong siya lang nakakilala?
Si boss po, at saka po, meron po akong knowledge regarding sa pagbababa po niya ng pondo and projects po sa office. Baka po nakalimutan lang ni boss kung banggitin.
Sige. Mr. Chairman, I hope we can also put together the testimonies of Mr. Hernandez and Mr. Alcantara na nagmamatch yung kanilang mga kwento.
Eventually, we will do that and submit everything to the ICI. No?
So kulang, pero tama ang nasabi niya, pero kulang. Yan ang sinasabi mo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Let me ask the representative of PCC, si Attorney Christian De Los Santos. Are you here? Yes. Attorney De Los Santos. Magandang araw.
Morning, Your Honors.
Oo. Can you give us an update? Alam ko na Chairman Aguinaldo is pursuing bid manipulation, bid rigging, filing different cases towards the contractors. Can you give us an update there?
Yes, Your Honor. So we are already doing our preliminary inquiry of this case. So we are looking at the contractors that were named during the SONA and the other contractors that were mentioned during the Senate Blue Ribbon hearings. So the next step right now is to gather evidence, the bid documents, possible communication exchanges between them.
Attorney, ang testimonya dito sa Blue Ribbon ay maaari niyong gamiting ebidensya, tama?
Yes, Your Honor. We have
So pag inaamin na nagbabayad ako, kapag inaward sa amin ang proyekto, or kapag merong testimonya ang DPWH na finifix nila o niririg nila yung mga bid dito, nakakatulong yan sa inyong investigasyon?
Yes, Your Honor. It helps.
Okay. At tama ba na ang multa or fine dito sa bid rigging ay up to 100 million per instance, first offense, 250 million for second offense moving forward.
Yes, Your Honor. It's actually up to 110 million, Your Honors, because
Up.
the amount has been adjusted.
Tinaas na.
Yes, 110 million and then 110 to 250 and then for succeeding 250 pataas po.
Okay, pinag-uusapan kasi natin kanina with Secretary Remulla kung gaano kahalaga na hindi lang makulong yung mga kasangkot kung hindi mabalik rin yung pera. No? Yung
Yes.
isang paraan, yung voluntary, na posibleng sila na mismo ang magbabalik bilang sign of good faith. Yung pangalawa, pwede rin ito. Tama ba to, Attorney?
Yes, Your Honor. So we can impose the fine of 110 million per incident or count of violation.
Per incident.
Yes.
So kung naka-10 kontrata ako, pwedeng 1 billion yon. In fact, more. Baka pwedeng 2 billion yon.
Yes, Your
Ang
Honor.
multa sa'yo.
Yes,
no?
Your Honor.
Ang kakasuhan nyo dito ay yung mga contractor or pati yung DPWH o yung contractors lang, yung participants in the bidding?
Mainly the contractors, Your Honor. However, the public officers may also be prosecuted or filed as facilitators
Kung meron silang porsyento.
if they are participating in the scheme, Your Honor.
If they're participating in the scheme,
Yes, Your
meaning sila yung tumulong na marig yung bid, marahil may porsyento rin sila, so pwede rin silang multahan
As facilitators. Your
as facilitators, no?
Yes,
So itong and if I'm not mistaken, the PCC dahil may quasi-judicial powers ito, kaya niyang gawin ito on its own.
Yes, Your Honor.
In fact, ginagawa niyo na yung investigation.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you will probably have a hearing very soon.
We have already issued some requests for the documents with the DPWH and the relevant agencies, Your Honor, like the SEC, so that we can study the corporate structures, the entities, and the people involved, Your Honor.
Okay. Anong timeline niyo dito, attorney?
I cannot commit the timeline, Your Honor. Under the law, we have 90 days to complete the preliminary part, and then after that, it would depend on the number of entities involved, the complexity of the scheme. Sometimes, iba kasi yung scheme nila, Your Honor, it's not very straightforward.
Yes.
So we have to look behind that, and then it also depends on the counts of the violation. So some incidents can be straightforward, others are not. So we don't have a definite timeline on that.
Pero pwede naman siyang per count, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor, we can prioritize.
You can prioritize. So ang mungkahi ko, gaya ng minungkahi ko kay Secretary Remulla, attorney, mahalaga sa taong bayan na mabalik yung pera.
Yes.
You know, nung isang araw, trillion peso march yun kasi aabot ng trillion peso yung nawala sa kaban ng bayan. So kung may balik tayo kahit papaano, malaking bagay yan. Mahalaga yun na mabalik natin yan. So I hope the PCC, as it was created, can really pursue these cases. At alam ko kasi na hindi kayo evidence beyond reasonable doubt. Dito sa mga multa, anong hinahanap lang ninyo?
Substantial evidence, Your Honor.
Just substantial evidence. And even the testimonies here can already be used as substantial evidence.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, bilisan po ninyo, galingan po ninyo, at tumulong po ang Philippine Competition Commission dito po sa pagbalik ng pera. No, mahalaga po ito. Naiintindihan po yan ng ating Secretary of Justice. I'm sure kahit po kayo, naiintindihan nyo yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And hindi naman to isang kaso sa lahat, di ba? Ano to? Maraming kaso to sa maraming tao.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, meaning hindi natin kailangan hintayin na lahat ng ebidensya, ng lahat ng contractor, ng lahat ng kasangkot sa DPWH ay may mabuo. Pwede itong per instance, magmulta na kaagad.
Yes, Your Honor. So per count po, pwede po natin siyang i-prioritize kung ano yung meron ng evidence, pwede na po natin siyang isampa.
Sige. I recommend that you do this quickly, no, para rin sa taong bayan. Maraming salamat,